A is for astronaut flying high. B is a bird in the sky. C is a cat with soft, soft fur. D is a dog who loves to purr. E is elephant, big and gray. F is fish that swims away. G is giraffe, tall and slow. H is a house where we all go. I is ice cream, sweet and cold. J is jelly, red and bold. K is kite that soars so high. L is a lion with a mighty cry. M is moon that shines at night. N is nest tucked out of sight. O is octopus in the sea. P is penguin with a wee. Q is queen with crown so bright. R is rainbow full of light. S is sun that warms the day. T is train that chugs away. U is umbrella in the rain. V is volcano on the plain. W is whale, big and blue. X is on no fun playing too. Y is yak with fuzzy hair. Z is zebra striped with flair.